The man behind him laughed and said, "You admire Sachin, do you?" The man who was sitting behind him smiled, laughed and said, "Do you admire? क्या आप सचिन को पसंद करते हो?" "Oh yes, he is my hero," said Raju proudly. What does Raju tell the man? "Yes, I admire him. He is my hero. He is my life. He is my role model." "Next person, please," called out the nurse. Now nurse tells next person. The man behind him got up and was now visible to Raju. "Sachin," he gasped. "Mummy, look who is here." When the nurse called the next person, Sachin, the man who was sitting was Sachin. He walked up in the examination or doctor's room and he was visible. As soon as Raju saw Sachin, he was astonished. वह आश्चर्यचकित हो गया था. He could not believe that was Sachin and he was talking to him. Gasped means caught breath with an open mouth due to astonishment. आश्चर्यचकित होकर कोई अपना मुंह खोलकर थोड़ी देर स्थिर रहता है, उसे बोलते हैं gasp. "Mummy, look who is here," and he called his mother. "Mummy, look who is here." His mother and the nurse came running to see what the matter was. When they realized who it was, they were tongue-tied and did not know what to say. Now his mother, and when Raju shouted that "Mummy, who's here?" his mother and the nurse came to see what was the matter. When they saw Sachin, they too were astonished and tongue-tied. Tongue-tied का मतलब कुछ नहीं बोलना, मुंह खुला रह जाना और कुछ नहीं बोलना. Sachin had come to the hospital to get his injured arm checked. Raju turned to Sachin and said, "Will you give me your autograph? Otherwise my friends at school will never believe me if I tell them that I met you." Now what happens? When they saw Sachin, Raju tells Sachin to give an autograph on his plaster. Why he needed an autograph? He needed an autograph to show his friend so that he may tell them that he met Sachin and they would believe him. "Of course I will," said Sachin. He wrote on Raju's plaster, "To Raju from his hero, all the best, Sachin Tendulkar." Now Sachin Tendulkar says, "Of course I'll give you." And what does he do? He wrote on the plaster, "To Raju from his hero, all the best, Sachin Tendulkar." He chatted with Raju and his mother for a while before he went in to see the doctor. Now Sachin talked for a while with Raju's mother and Raju for a while before going to doctor's room for his examination or examination of his hand. When the plaster was removed from his leg 2 weeks later, Raju hung it up in his room. And when after 2 weeks, when the plaster of Raju was removed, what does he do? He hung that plaster in the room, and every day and every morning he looked at Sachin's autograph before he left for the school. And every morning, what does he do? He is to look to Sachin's autograph or that plaster and go to school every day. So dear students, here we complete the explanation of our chapter 3. I hope you all are understanding it. If you find any difficulties in understanding, please message me so that I may know what are your difficulties and clear all your doubts. Now this chapter was written by Savitri Pandyan. Okay, that's it for today. In our next class, we shall discuss all the exercises of chapter 1, 2 and 3 and complete your notebooks. Thank you. Take care. Have a nice day.